Did you know the case in Chongqing, China, where an apartment building has been built with a train running through it? Not only does the light rail passenger train pass through the 19-story residential building, but it also has a transit stop there. So apartment residents can just go to the 6th through 8th floors to hitch a ride. Chongqing, located in southeast China, is a sprawling metropolis packed with 49 million residents, so architects and city planners have gotten really creative in making transportation and residential projects coexist in China's so-called Mountain City. This is the man behind this genius and remarkable idea.
离子大站到了，右侧车门打开前。
我叫叶天意，